everyone. Welcome back to Dream Speak English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic, how to improve your English speaking skills.
That's right, Jack. Speaking English confidently is a goal for many learners, but it can be challenging.
Don't worry, we'll share practical tips and techniques that will help you speak English more fluently and naturally.
Let's start with the first tip. Practice speaking every day.
Yes, the more you speak, the better you get. Even if it's just 5 or 10 minutes a day, consistent practice is key.
You can practice by talking to yourself, speaking with friends, or joining language exchange groups.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The important thing is to keep trying.
Tip 2. Listen and repeat.
Listen to native speakers, podcasts, movies, or conversations, and try to repeat what you hear.
This helps you improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation.
Shadowing is a great technique. You listen and speak at the same time, like a shadow.
Tip 3. Learn useful phrases and chunks.
Instead of memorizing single words, learn groups of words or phrases that you can use immediately.
For example, how are you? What do you think? Or I'm looking forward to it.
Using chunks helps you speak more naturally and gives you time to think.
Tip 4. Record yourself.
Recording your voice helps you hear your mistakes and track your progress.
Listen carefully and try to improve your pronunciation and fluency.
It's a private way to practice without pressure.
Tip 5. Expand your vocabulary.
Learn new words every day and try to use them in sentences.
Reading books, watching videos, and using flashcards can help.
But remember, focus on words you can use in daily conversations.
Tip 6. Practice speaking with others.
Join English clubs, online language exchanges, or find a speaking partner.
Real conversations help you think and respond quickly.
It also builds your confidence and reduces fear.
Tip 7. Focus on pronunciation.
Practice difficult sounds and use mouth exercises.
Watch videos that show how to move your lips and tongue.
Don't forget to practice stress and intonation. It makes your English sound natural.
Tip 8. Think in English.
Try to stop translating from your native language.
Practice describing what you see or what you're doing in English.
This helps your brain get used to English patterns and speeds up speaking.
Tip 9. Use technology.
Use apps, online courses, and voice assistants to practice speaking.
Many apps have speech recognition to help you improve pronunciation.
Practice anytime, anywhere.
Tip 10. Stay motivated and patient.
Learning to speak well takes time and effort.
Celebrate small successes and keep practicing every day.
Remember, confidence grows with practice.
Let's practice a short conversation using some of these tips.
Great idea.
Hi, Jack. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. I'm looking forward to the weekend.
That's nice. What are your plans?
I'm going to visit my family and relax.
Sounds wonderful. I'm practicing my English speaking every day.
That's the best way to improve.
Now that we've covered the top 10 tips to improve your English speaking skills, let's dive deeper into some practical exercises you can do every day.
Absolutely, Sarah. One of the best exercises is role-playing. Imagine real-life situations like ordering food at a restaurant, asking for directions, or making small talk with a friend.
For example, you can practice ordering coffee. You might say, "Hi, I'd like a cappuccino, please," or "Can I have a large coffee with milk?"
Or imagine you're at the airport. You can practice saying, "Where is the check-in counter?" Or, "Can you help me find gate 22?"
Role-playing helps you prepare for real conversations and reduces anxiety because you've practiced before.
Another great exercise is storytelling. Try to tell a short story about your day, your weekend, or a memorable experience.
Start with simple sentences like, "Yesterday I went to the park. I saw many birds and flowers. It was a sunny day."
This helps you practice past tense and build confidence in speaking longer sentences.
Don't forget to record yourself while practicing. Listening to your own voice helps you notice pronunciation mistakes and improve your fluency.
And it's a great way to track your progress over time. You'll be surprised how much you improve.
Another tip is to expand your vocabulary by learning words in context. For example, if you like cooking, learn words related to food and kitchen activities.
Like chop, boil, fry, spicy, delicious, and so on.
Use these words in sentences. I like to chop vegetables, or this soup is very spicy.
The more you use new words in sentences, the better you remember them.
Also, try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. This helps you speak faster and more naturally.
For example, when you see a dog, think dog instead of translating the word from your language.
Practice describing what you see around you in English. For example, the sky is blue, or the flowers are beautiful.
This trains your brain to use English automatically.
Finally, remember to stay positive and patient. Learning a language is a journey, and every small step counts.
Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Every word you speak is a victory.
Let's practice a short conversation using some of these ideas.
Hi, Sarah. What did you do yesterday?
I went to the market. I bought fresh vegetables and cooked dinner.
That sounds great. What did you cook?
I cooked spicy chicken with rice. It was delicious.
Yum. I love spicy food too.
Me too. I'm looking forward to cooking again tomorrow.
Keep practicing like this and you'll improve quickly.
Thank you for joining us today on Dream Speak English. If you liked this video, please subscribe and hit the like button.
Share it with your friends who want to improve their English speaking skills.
Leave a comment telling us what you like to cook or your favorite food in English.
Keep practicing, stay motivated, and see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Bye.